Hi, second grade, it's Mrs. Reed. I wanted to do a quick review video about counting coins since that's our math skill for the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and we're gonna review our coins. All right, so the first coins you see here are my quarters. And I remember from class that we talked about quarters are worth 25 cents. And then up here, I see some dimes. And dimes are worth 10 cents. And then here I have nickels. And nickels are worth 5 cents. And then down here I have some pennies. And pennies are worth 1 cent. And when we practiced counting coins in class, we always made sure we started counting with the largest coins. The quarters. The quarters here, I've got 4. If we count 4 quarters up, 25, 50, 75, $1. 4 quarters is equal to $1. 10 dimes are equal to $1 because we're skip counting by tens. 20 nickels, skip counting by fives, and 100 pennies equal $1. So what I'm gonna do now is grab some from each pile and we're gonna count them up and see what we've got. All right, so here I see a quarter, a dime, 2 more dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. So let's start with our counting. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. So 1 quarter, 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies equals 67 cents. We have also learned that there's 2 ways to write that. We know that 67 cents can be written this way with the cent sign, or it can be written this way with our dollar sign. We still don't have any dollars. We have $0. There's our decimal point between the dollars and the cents. And then we have 67 cents. Either way, lists the same amount. All right, let's do another one. I'm gonna get another group here of coins, mix them all up. And you can practice counting coins at home if you don't have any coins. I know everybody knows how to draw coins because we drew coins a lot in class. So here is my group of coins. I'm gonna start by separating out my quarters and my dimes and my nickels, and here's my pennies. Oh, somehow I managed to get groups of 3, didn't I? All right, so let's count it up. 25, 50, 75, 85, 95. And look what happens there. That gives me, with 5 more cents, that gives me $1. And we talked a lot about how when you're first counting coins, if you need to make a group of $1 and circle it, then do that. Now I can go back and count the rest. 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I have $1.23 or 123 cents with my cent sign. I can write it either way. All right, let's erase this. We'll do one more example. Maybe we should just count it all up. Should we count it all up? All right, let's count it all up. I got a lot of money here. All right, so here's my quarters. And then we'll put in our dimes. I'm gonna make groups because it's easier to count them if I sort it out, right? Something else we talked about in class. And then my nickels. And then here's my pennies. And I think to solve this amount of coins, I'm gonna do it a different way. Now this time I'm gonna use the possible solution that we talked about where you can count up each amount for each coin and then add them up. So this is just another way to solve when you were counting money. So let's go ahead and count each group of coin. Here we've got 25, 50, 75, $1. So that gives us $1. Now let's count our dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that gives me 80 cents. Now I'm gonna count my nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So I have 55 cents in nickels. And in my pennies, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cents. Don't forget, you have to use a 0 in the dimes place. Now I can add that all up using my standard addition algorithm. Just make sure that my decimal point is directly below and all of them are lined up. So let's count our pennies. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. I have to regroup that. All right, now I'm gonna add up my dimes. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 8 is 9. 9 add 5 is 14. 14 add 0 is 14. So I'm gonna have to regroup again. Now I add up my dollars. 1 plus 1 is 2. All of these have $0, so all together here, I have $2.42 or 242 cents. Can write it either way. So hopefully that's a good review for you, reminding you how we count our coins. I'll have this video on YouTube, and in the Google Classroom there will also be lots of other links to some videos that we've watched in class, the Homeschool Pop and a Brain Pop. So if you need to refresh your memories on how to count those coins, go check them out. All right, let me know if you need help. Miss you all.